Eliminex here. We're doing a bed bug treatment. We're going to do a spray treatment. You can see all the bed bugs hiding. Look at that. All the bed bugs right there. Isn't that crazy? So I'm going to have to get some tape. They're all over this couch. Back there running around. See them on the back of the sofa. Sometimes when I do these inspections and I find the bed bugs, I get yelled at. I get yelled at by the homeowner or a relative, like as if I'm making it up. And you can see them even in the bathroom. Just hanging out here. So. This is in the bathroom. So this couch is in really good shape. So it is a more recent couch. So that's what happens if you don't properly treat your house and you just go buy new furniture. And then this could happen. You can see all the bed bugs here running around.